efficiency and reliability are the foundations of successful solar farm management. In this video, we will see the transformative impact of combining Raspberry Pi CM4 and IRIV PiControl, offering cost-effective and reliable solutions that reshape the landscape of solar farm oversight. The Raspberry Pi CM4, a compact, versatile, and powerful system-on-module, is utilized across various industries, including renewable energy. Its affordability and adaptability make it an excellent choice for solar farm management. The IRIV controller is the perfect match for solar farm needs. With readily available RS-485 and isolated I/O interfaces, it simplifies the connection of components like inverters and monitoring devices, transforming solar farm management. Leveraging the affordability of CM4, IRIV PiControl significantly reduces hardware costs while maintaining high performance, offering a cost-effective solution for solar farm management. The integration of Raspberry Pi CM4 and IRIV PiControl centralizes performance monitoring. Multiple units can be monitored through a single dashboard, streamlining maintenance efforts, reducing operational costs, and ensuring optimal energy production. For reliable solar farm management, the IRIV PiControl powered by Raspberry Pi CM4 ensures robustness and reliability, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous operation.